Additive manufacturing defines a process that creates a physical object by adding materials in layers one by one based on its digital computer-aided design model. Additive manufacturing is a digital manufacturing technology and a powerful tool for bringing new products to market. Additive technologies enable specialists to quickly design and produce labor-intensive items, from smallest parts for aerospace industry and medicine to major industrial structures under conventional manufacturing conditions. What puts additive technologies at advantage is that they allow us to create parts with complex internal structures which are difficult to produce using computer numerical control equipment. According to experts, 3D printing or additive manufacturing is one of the top 10 industrial technologies of the future and an essential prerequisite for the economy's transition to new technologies. By 2025, the global 3D printing market is projected to reach $32 billion, and by 2030, $60 billion, with metals becoming the most popular 3D printing materials.
The basic principle is that we have some kind of resource, often in powder, but it can also be wire that is used. And then we use a fabrication method to directly produce a complete component, in most cases.
International academia and business community are pulling together their efforts towards promoting new technologies and digital economy. An example of this collaboration is the project From Idea to Printing of Metal Products, implemented in the framework of the Kolarctic Cross-Border Cooperation Program. The project is geared towards establishing collaboration between businesses, industries, equipment manufacturers, engineers and IT researchers from 4 countries – Russia, Sweden, Norway and Finland.
И в сфере информационных технологий из 4 стран – Россия, Швеция, Норвегия и Финляндия.
We try to build a network here, gathering as many competences as possible.
Our work combines traditional university research, development activities for companies, and innovation activities that bring new ideas and solutions.
The project seeks to modernize the Barents region's manufacturing industries by creating a platform for cooperation and capacity building in the field of advanced additive technologies, 3D printing of metal parts, industrial processing of metals, and technology entrepreneurship. A dedicated web portal, www.I2Medprint.com, is in place, developed by experts at Narfu and Luleå University of Technology. The platform gives users access to cutting-edge developments in additive manufacturing. The available materials will potentially contribute to successful introduction of additive technologies. This platform will be a tool to help small and medium enterprises to boost their potential for advanced additive manufacturing by benefiting from the research-based and practical developments at universities and their laboratories.
Promoting metal additive manufacturing in the Kolarctic, it represents a shift towards more environmental sustainable production, which will help SMEs to regain production supremacy and sustain technological leadership in the region.
The project has on its activity agenda a series of workshops for Archangelsk-based industries which are going to be hosted by Narfu. Development and maintenance of a new cooperation platform. Assessment of technology entrepreneurship ecosystems. 3D printing of sample industrial parts for businesses, including design, testing and production cost calculation. Developing new solutions, collaboration of universities and regional businesses towards introducing additive technologies for new business projects and industries. Knowledge dissemination, sharing best practices in additive manufacturing.
Мы рассылаем по нашим каналам информацию о данных семинарах и
We disseminate information on the workshops to enable stakeholders to attend, share experiences, ask questions and become partners of our project.
И стать партнерами нашего проекта.
Through cooperative work of the academic partners and business communities aimed at developing innovative 3D printing and bringing additive technologies to the industries of the Barents region, the project is expected to give rise to new ideas for the SMEs and boost the Arctic region's business, employment and overall attractiveness.